look, I think most business owners are of the mindset that they know this is coming down the track and that they know they need to do something, but they need practical help, that, you know, where to start. And that's why, from our perspective, we set up TerraVerde as a practical means of helping people get onto that ladder. How do you make the right choices without those breaking the bank? And I think that's really twofold. One is taking steps that will impact on the business, and two, making it self-funding. And that self-funding both is in terms of reducing consumption in terms of water, waste, electricity, and those things that can actually save money, and also in making it into a marketing opportunity where businesses can actually benefit and go out to market with a stamp of authenticity. I'd put it to those owners out there and those managers, you know, are you ready for that kind of change that's going to come down the track that will influence, and you will need to build into your business planning? So, you know, I think that ETOA will play and can play a massively beneficial force in that transition. And I hope from a practical level, TerraVerde can help as well.